Reddit is arguably one of the biggest platforms on the internet where you can promote various affiliate products. And I'm saying this without a doubt because with over 3 billion monthly active users and majority being from United States, this is a desirable traffic source for affiliate marketing. And I call this a gold mine. So I decided, why not give Reddit a try since other affiliate marketers mainly focus on other mainstream social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and the likes to promote their affiliate links. So I took it upon myself to undergo this challenge so I can share with you guys my experience using Reddit for affiliate marketing. And hopefully, this is going to let you know what to expect when promoting your affiliate links on Reddit. So here is a brief structure of my timeline for this journey in case you decide to replicate this journey. And I mainly did this to keep things organized so I can better track my results and the outcome of this challenge. And as you can see right here, on day one, I'm going to be picking a niche. And also on the same day one, I'm going to be finding relevant subreddits. And finally, on the first day, I'm going to be creating high quality Reddit accounts. Then from the second to the fifth day, I'm going to be warming my Reddit account and building trust on this Reddit account before we start promoting any links. And from the sixth to the final day, I'm going to be promoting my affiliate links and also sending DMs. So make sure to watch this video to the end, as I can assure you, you're going to learn a lot from this journey. So picking a niche, this step took me about 30 minutes to an hour. However, after much brainstorming and looking for niches to work with, I was caught in between the spirituality and self-help niche. And one of the major reasons I decided to go with this niche is because they have very passionate audience. And it's easier to convince people who are passionate about their niche to purchase a product. And also the reason I chose these two niches is because there's a pool of product to choose from to make affiliate commissions. So still on the first day, we have to look for relevant subreddit for these niches. So you can do this step manually by basically coming over to the Reddit search function and you can type in the keyword right here. So if I type in spirituality, I'm going to see a lot of niches I can choose from. So basically, this is a tedious process of finding relevant subreddits. So I decided to use this tool right here. You can click the card above this video where I went in detail on how to use this tool to find subreddits in just one click. So I use this tool to basically look for this subreddit because it's faster and efficient. So I decided to go with 20 subreddits for both spirituality and the self-help niche, as you can see on your screen. And that takes us to the next step, still on day one, on creating Reddit account. You want to simply go over to reddit.com or you can simply download the app on your device. Then you want to click on these three dots here and you want to click on sign up. So once you could do that, it's going to bring you to this page. Then you want to click on the sign up button. As you can see, you can create an account using Google, Apple, or you can just simply type in your email address right here. So instead of creating a single account for this journey, I decided to do something completely different. And that is by creating multiple Reddit accounts. And the main reason I did this is because I want to know how much you can potentially expect if you want to scale your affiliate earnings on Reddit. And to create and manage multiple accounts on Reddit, you're going to need a proxy for this. And this is because a proxy will ensure your account is safe and does not get banned by Reddit. And the best proxy I use for this is Node Maven Proxy. And I've already made a dedicated video on how to use Node Maven Proxy to manage multiple accounts. So I highly recommend to check out the video to see how you can run and manage multiple accounts using Node Maven proxies without any problem. So I created 10 Reddit accounts in total and I manage this account using Dolphin Anti-Detect Browser and Node Maven Proxy. They give you 10 free profiles you can use to test out their service before you decide to go for a paid plan. Okay, so now as you can see, I have multiple accounts on this Anti-Detect Browser, and as you can see, I have categorized this account based on the niche as well. You can see This one here, I'm using it for the self-help niche. And if I scroll down here, you can see this account here, I'm using it for the spirituality niche. And just like I mentioned earlier, you want to be using a proxy to manage your account. And as you can see, I used Node Maven proxy to manage this account. And that is why all of my accounts are still active till date and none of them is getting banned. As you can see, this is one of the Redis accounts I'm managing on the browser. And that takes us to day 2 to day 5, where I decided to warm up my Reddit account and build both post and comment camera on Reddit. So from my experience working with other social media platforms, once you create a fresh account, you don't want to be doing too much activity on the account at once. You want to make sure to keep the activity to the barest minimum and basically act like a normal user. This is going to help you avoid your account being classified as a bot and thereby leading to shadow bans. So in a nutshell, what I'm trying to say is you want to basically engage with other users on the platform by simply going over to the comment section. So if I take this post here as an example, all you simply want to do is to engage with this post, and to do that, you want to share your honest opinion about that post. It's that simple. And also you want to make sure to share helpful tips in the subreddit as well. This is going to let people in the community notice you and they are going to see you as a real member of the community and not a spammer or an affiliate marketer. Also, another way you can also build your account is by simply upvoting other people's posts like this. You can also downvote the one you don't like as well. So this way is going to help you build your account, and Reddit is going to perceive your account to be a real user. Okay, so you want to basically do what a normal user is going to do on the platform. Just basically engage, and this is what I did for 2 to 3 days. So the next thing was finding affiliate products to promote in the self-help and spirituality niche. And there are so many platforms or so many affiliate networks you can find products from. And one of the best ones is clickbank.com. You can use this platform to basically find products in any niche you can think of. And also another alternative you can use is Digistore24. You can come over to this platform as well. There are numerous products you can find on any niche of your choice. Finally, you can come over to offervault.com. Basically, this platform also, you can find various CPA offers you can promote from this platform as well. But for me, I decided to go with ClickBank, and the reason being that they have products that have very high commission, up to 50%, and also they have products with recurring commission, which means all I need to do is to make a sale once and I can keep getting commissions every single month as long as that customer continues using that product. So now I'm going to look for products in the self-help niche and the spirituality niche. So for the spirituality niche, I found this product, the Wealth Signal. The payout is reasonable, $50 for every sale we make. And also, as you can see, it has a calling commission as well, which means every single month we will still be getting paid as long as our customers continue using the product. And for the self-help niche, I went with the Millionaire Brain Academy product, which is also going to pay us $65 for every sale we make. So after choosing this product, then the next step for us from the 6th to the 25th day, we are going to be promoting our affiliate links on Reddit. Now, I've already made a video on how to make your post go viral on Reddit. So I highly recommend to click on the card above this video right now. One of my most successful posts was about wealth manifestation in this subreddit. And as you can see here, I basically shared my personal journey, giving some helpful tips. And at the end of the post, I casually mentioned my affiliate link, which is basically related to the post itself, and that is the Wealth Signal product. And the second strategy I did from the 6th to 25th day was sending affiliate links to people in the DM. But note, I built trust with these people first before I sent them my affiliate link. So basically the first day I gave them value upfront, and the second day I shared my affiliate link. I've also talked about how to do that in this video as well. So I highly recommend to check out this video so that you can see exactly how to send DMs to people on Reddit without being spammy. So after 25 days of doing the whole promotion, I made some sales here and there, but not as much as I was hoping for. The traffic was there. A ton of people were engaging with my post, but the conversion rate was not as high as I expected. And guess what? I made a terrible mistake as well during the journey. I copied the wrong affiliate link, and because of that, I lost traffic for a whole 6 days. At the end of the day, I was able to make 7 sales from the Millionaire Brain Academy product. And also I made 10 sales from the Wealth Signal product, maybe because the product is a bit cheaper. And also I didn't create a landing page for this product. So maybe if I had created a customized landing page and a domain with the product, I might have made more sales because using a landing page definitely is more professional and is going to gain a lot of trust when people see a custom domain rather than a URL shortener. So the only investment I made here was only on the proxy, and I used the Node Maven 25 GB plan, which cost about $140. So basically, if we minus $140 from our earnings, you can see what is left. So this is the only investment I made in this journey. So is it worth it? I'll leave it up for you to decide. And also make sure to share your experience and your thoughts using Reddit to promote affiliate links in the comment section below.